Some people say it's a cherry pick, but I say it's a real-time data, baby. Look at this. What do you see? The green dot. The market is open. It's not a replay mode. And what do you see here? Tell me. The strong sell and all TPs got smashed. Strong buy, all TPs got smashed. Strong sell, all TPs got smashed. Now in this video, I will show you step by step how you can get the same signals like me using Flux Charts Premium. So first thing first, you need to go to Indicators tab and you need to search for Flux Charts, right? So after you search for it, we need only two indicators, SVX, Algo, and the price action toolkit. And if you still don't have the Flux Charts Premium, use code BORSA to get the 20% off. It's the best discount ever on the internet. After you edit, we need to do some couple of settings, and to do that, let's go to settings for the SVX Algo, and you need to change your trading style is the day trader, trend length is the medium term, the sensitivity is the 9. These are the most important settings in the whole setup. If you done those, copy rest of my settings and hit the OK button. Now second thing you need to do is go to price action toolkit, enable the fair value gaps, enable the inversion fair value gaps, order blocks, breaker blocks, and you need to enable equal highs and equal lows. You can enable the trend lines. Finally, you need to enable the MTF highs and lows, daily, weekly, monthly, pre-market. Why? Because we're gonna use those levels as a take profit or stop loss. If you done that, just hit the OK button. Let's go back in time and see how this signal printed, how I confirm my position. You need to understand what toolkit is capable of, okay? This toolkit, we're gonna be giving you strong signal versus normal signals. If it's strong, it will plot a plus sign like this. And what else you have? You have this cloud over here, okay, which comes with the red or the blue. Red means bearish, blue means bullish, okay, easy. So price action toolkit will be giving you this IFG, the order blocks, the breaker blocks, and all the stuff you need to use for confirmations. Okay, Borsa, we got it. Now you got the strong sell signal. What's gonna happen next? So there is a 3-step formula before you take any signal, okay? The first one is obviously you need to get strong sell or sell signal. Second one, you need to get FVG or IFG. The third one is cloud, red or blue. And the final one, if you don't get those, you can look for OB or BB, which is order block or breaker block. You need to get 3 of them to confirm the position. If you get 4 of them, it's a beautiful. Just go for it, okay? In this scenario, what do we get? Tell me. The strong sell, check. The FVG, check. The red cloud, check. And you got the order block here, check. You get 4 different confirmations right now. The Flux Charts is giving you the take profit levels, which you can use them easily. But if you want to write the position, that's completely fine. I will teach you that also. Let's say you go for this position, right, with the 5 contracts. And we are trading on 1 minute and my ticker is Nasdaq futures. But I got this question a lot of time. Borsa, can we use it on the Bitcoin? Can we use it on the Euro USD? Yes, yes, yes. You can use on any time frame. You can trade on any market you want. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now we're back on business. So the stop loss. Stop loss is personal choice. I don't use this stop loss. It's too wide for me. What I do is I either use the closest fair value gap or the before it. So, okay, the first one or the second one. But of course, you can use this one also, whichever you prefer, okay? So let's roll the market and see what's gonna happen. So the price respected very well on this fair value gap, and this is what you want. And this is what you wanna see on this type of price actions. And retest it one more time, and we just hit the first TP. Now we roll, and I usually took a partial on the second TP, which is right here, okay? So let's say you took a partials, right? You left with 3 contract right now. What do you want to do? You will just zoom out. You don't want to close all of your position when the all TPs got smashed. Oh, Why, Borsa? Why? Are you greedy? No, but look at the chart, man. You got the red candles from still Flux Charts. You still getting the breaker blocks, the IFGs, the red cloud in the house. Why should I close? Just give me more, right? So you can target at this scenario, like these cool lows, can use these levels easily. You can use these levels. So you got my point, okay? So you can write, either you get the blue cloud from the Flux Charts, or you can just write it when you got this kind of IFG. I mean like the bullish one, okay? So in this scenario, you just want to take off one more here and you left with one contract. What you want to do, you will just put your stop loss in profit. Whatever happens, you just don't care, okay? We're writing it, and the final TP, as you can see, just got smashed. Now, you just took one more off and boom. This is it. This is how you make money, ladies and gentlemen. Let's zoom in here. Why I choose these zones. The price tested couple of times. It leaves the wick, it leaves the footprint and pushed back. Here, the same method. It tested, respected very well. Okay, close the candle above it. So we use as a target because there is unfinished business. And when the price comes to that level, you can see we got a couple of candles, not just once. The price spent some time here. This is how you make money. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not cherry picking. We can just push this button. Boom. $5,000. Is it hard to do? Absolutely not. The real time, let's look at the recent signals. Boom. This is stopped out. This is hit the all TPs. This hit the all TPs. This hit the all TPs. This hit the TP. This didn't hit the TP. This hit the all TPs. It's crazy. It's crazy. All you need is a good win rate with the good setup and good discipline. That's all you need. That was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching my other Flux Charts videos here. And until the next time, see you soon.